Observing the Mind meditation. Welcome back. Find a comfortable place. Position yourself seated or lying, whatever is appropriate for you. As you relax, take a nice, slow, deep breath, resting your eyes naturally to close. As you continue, breathing in calm with each inhale and breathing out any unease that may be present. Notice the thoughts as they arise. No judgment, simple observation. No need to stop them. See a thought appear and then watch it dissolve or drift away, like clouds passing across the sky. You are not the thought. You are the sky, vast, clear, and spacious. If your mind becomes busy, gently return to the role of observer. No force, no struggle. Just soft, steady watching. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more anchored in this quiet awareness. This is the practice of training the mind to watch itself. This is where sovereignty begins. This is where clarity and inner peace are born. Rest here for a few moments, simply observing. When you are ready, take a deeper breath and slowly bring your awareness back into the room, focusing now on your physical body. Place one hand on your heart. Thank yourself for this practice. The more you observe your thoughts, the more space and freedom you create. You are the calm presence behind the thinking. You are the calm observer of the mind.